Welcome to the 15 Communication Challenge. Today I am going to very deep dive into a very important topic that I want to discuss today. So let's understand the thing what I am going to deep dive into there. So if you see in your life what you are doing is learning. Any specific thing you are learning and that's you applied in their life or you apply in their anywhere, and that's how your life will going and your life will be. For example, you want to earn a lot of money, so first thing you learn the skills and then how you apply and you use it, and that's how you can earn the money. Means if you see in their job what they are like, the company that is hiring for only who are skilled people, not who are wastes time into there. So what my question is to you, or what I discuss in their session is, we are many times, and in the whole life we are learning. In the whole life we are learning and doing the thing. So first question is to you, like, why we are learning? And you know why we are learning, because it's need. So how to learn? That's the most important questions in the whole world to know about that. Because if you see in the childhood, there nobody know how to learn. What means learning? You simply open a book, read what the homework they give the teacher, complete and close the copy. That's it. That's we are knowing from the childhood how to learn. But exactly we don't know exactly how to learn, how to apply the thing. And that's the very curious things. When you are knowing the how to learn, then how you will be going in a right direction. What we are done, we are only thinking about, I will become this person. But when we are concentrate to the learning things, then those time we fell down. So that's why, because of we are never ever know the how to learn. And if you know how to learn, then gradually you will learn very fast and apply in your life. Whatever whatever in your field you want to learn, you will learn and apply. If you see the main businessman or the main entrepreneur in their world, who are the very innovative evolution, very innovative things they are doing, because of they are learning in a way that we don't know. And if we know, then definitely we can reach our goal. So that's the whole view about, in my sense, of the questioning. So let's come into the solution. And let's, yeah, I will come into the solution, but before that, I want to go deeper into the cause. I'm talked about the childhood. In their childhood, we are totally remembering things. We are totally not to know how to learn. What the teacher saying or what the teacher said, that's I and we done in the past time. And that's how we done from childhood to class 12th. But what the next? When you come into the graduation, when you come into the 4-year course or 3-year course, then exactly you don't know how to learn because no one can teach you in the graduation. On those time, you will learn on yourself. No any person will teach you, guide you in your graduation. Definitely, some colleges have given the teacher or professor to teach the class, but it is not sufficient way they are teaching. So is it the problem of education or is it the problem of ourselves? So I'm directly saying the problem is not the education system. India is going good. No have problem anything or any else. The problem in our mind. The problem in our capability. The problem in our thinking level. Because in our childhood we don't know how to learn and how to do things working properly. That's why we are not going good in a good direction. So if you're saying like if the teachers will guide you in this direction, so that definitely helpful. Yeah, definitely helpful, but the curriculum is designed not this way, so what to do? So definitely, if the curriculum is not designed, then you followed of yourself, then you followed the world. Because if you see the world, many people who are not going to school, who are not you know anywhere or any classes attended, but they are right now as a good or as a very brilliant mind in their world, and that's why. But the problem is how he did it or she did it. If you see like Elon Musk and many more example, Mark Zuckerberg, how they are teach yourself, then you know what exactly they are doing, what exactly we are not doing, and that's why we are stuck into in this time, in this time era. So let's come into the solution part and understand the very basic way to define and to go depth into there. First of all, the learning things is not like who are teach to you and you will learn very fast. It is a very bad way to learn yourself. Because if I am sharing my story, like in the 8th class, I am starting with the learning of myself. Like whatever the teacher teaching me, I care, but also I am learning. I was learned through the books. I am going into deeper the books to understand the concept, to learn the thing, what exactly written in their book, what exactly the meaning of that word. That's I discover, that's I research a lot, and that's how the my learning capability into there and how I learn. And that's how I think the same thing doing the Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg. If you see the Mark Zuckerberg or the Elon Musk, if I sharing exactly what Elon Musk did it in the past time in the childhood, he's reading a lot of books in the library. Because if you learn through the books, if you learn through the various platform or resources that give you the better opportunity, better understanding about the concept. And if you only depend on the teacher to teach you, to guide you, but it doesn't work. Because if you see the teacher are not very well know everything. Because in their life it is like a 20 or 30 years teacher, like a what who learn in their life. He not like a learn the whole book or many book. But if you see, if you watch, if you want to understand the concept, then you use the book, then you follow the resources of the YouTube, and if the Google and if the ChatGPT, if you use the forums and if you use the blogs, many way of learning resources. So if you follow these things in your life, then definitely you will learn any concept, anything in your life. And this way you can learn very fast and learn many things in the time. For example, if you want to learn the any concept, for example, I want to become a developer, I want to create a website. So what to do? I search how to do what the technology need to learn, and that's how I learn. First, if need the first thing need to learn the HTML. So I started from there. I learned the thing. I'm not stuck into there only one YouTube videos who are guiding the 10 videos into there, and I started watching and that's it. No, it's not a very relevant way to learning. Yeah, definitely you follow the YouTube videos tutorial, it's very helpful, but not depend on one resource. Follow other, like follow the blogs, follow the books, follow the chat gpt, follow the meta ai. Means if you don't know what the mean of anything like a tag in their HTML, many concepts in there. So you don't know what is the anchor tag, so you can search into there what the anchor tag, what did mean, why it is coming, how it is coming, and why we applied into there. That's how what the logic behind the backend, how it works in the backend, where we attach, and how it is going in there to link and to combine. Then we click and then the open the page. So how it is and how it will be. If you understand the questioning with yourself, why, how, what, and when, then definitely you can understand the thing very clear. So that's I'm saying to you. If you not to know anything, then many resources you can follow and learn through that, and that's how you can learn the thing. But the problem is with yourself is curiosity. If you are not curious to learn anything, then definitely you are not going in a good direction. Because if you're not curious, so how to learn? Your interest is not into there. So if you are curious to learn anything, then definitely it's helpful. And if you are not curious and you want to become a curious, so I'm saying ask the questions how, what, why, when. That's definitely to become a curious way to evolve into their skills, what you want to learn. And so the basic way, if I am giving you the roadmap for how to learn, so simple way is in their world many things or many resources, the whole over world into their online. So don't stick into one platform or any one dependent videos. You become independent, you follow not many books, but you follow a reference of any one books that is good for to. And also if you are not even you when someone said you you are follow the this book, and when you start studying, then you are not getting what is it in there. So definitely forget what the other person say. Definitely you search into there and follow the other books what is relevant for you. So that's I'm saying, don't depend on other, follow of yourself, and what the resources or what is it for you, then follow that. So that's how you can learn any concept, any, because and if you see the chat gpt or meta ai, means in the ai revolution is a very great way you can learn anything into your life. Because in their life, what in their generation is full of asking the questions, and the ai will give you the full-fledged answer. And if you are not knowing, and if it is not a good to understand, then you also ask the question and also give you the suggestion. I'm not understanding, can you give me better way to an easy way to get it the answer? And that's how you can ask the question and give the prompt, and that's how ChatGPT give you the answer. So many way you can learn, and any concept you want to learn, you can learn into there. And that's how. But the problem is, many people are trying to create the thing but not to learn the thing. For example, I want to create a website, but I don't want to learn the technology. Who That's how means that depends the create the page or create the website. So that's the problem. You are interested to create an app, but you don't want to learn the technology who is created the app. So you can understand, because when you go into their deeper concept of the app or web and into their technology, that definitely give you the very bad situation, because it is not a very one day learning. It is a curve, like a 1 year 2 year learning. And if you are you know if you are stop the learning, then definitely you're not going reach your goal. So focus with that goal and to learn each day, every day. And what's the problem comes if you focus the problem? I'm saying you are thinking about the app I'm designing, I'm creating, but if you focus the learning things, if you focus the concept, then definitely it helpful to create an app. Because the building blocks you are creating is from the fundamental. So if your fundamental are weak, so how you can create a fourth floor? Like if your ground floor is not strong, so how you can build the fourth floor? That's how in their learning. If you are not know anything about the technology of how to code to create an app or to create a website, so how can you thinking about that I am doing this in their app and do in their app? So first of all, need to learn the basic and understanding the concept, and that's how you can small steps you can achieve your goal and reach your goal. Nah, but the problem is we are imagining thing only for targeting and a step ahead our mind. But I'm saying don't do that. Focus on the learning, focus on the concept, and that's how you can change the way of learning and change the way of defining or to mindset also give you the better way this thing. Because if you are learning things in a asking the questions, then definitely helpful. So I think that's give you the better understanding how to learn. And if your learning is good, if your learning curve is good, like you understand the basic concept, then you go into the advanced concept, and that's how you are learning. But if you are not applying, you are only understand the concept, but you are not practically applying, then definitely it's not working. So what you do is, if your concept is clear, if you done your concept, then definitely work on practical projects. For example, if I am learning web development, so what to do? I learn first HTML, then create some projects into very basic project I create. Then I will go into the CSS part. I create some basic project with the addition of HTML and CSS. And when I come back after the creating the project, when I come back into the learning of JS JavaScript, so I followed the whole three things, three technology combined and to create a project. And after that I will go into the React part. So that's how to create a app into a React project, and that's how learning the things and applying the thing into there. What the if you see in your in their world, the entrepreneur, what's they are doing, definitely they are skilled person, and after they skill, that's why they are creating anything in their world. And definitely the if you have no asking questions, so how you can create app? Because for example, who are entrepreneur, so who are not learn the thing with the asking and curious way, like asking the question why, what, when. So how solving the problem of world? Because in their world, very big problems you are resolving into there. So if you focus way and to want to solve the problem, then definitely to help the skills. So that's I'm saying the learning is a very different approach. So I think I'm giving you the best way to learn anything, any skills, and that's how you can achieve your goal and reach your destination. I followed, and also till now I am following, and that is helpful, very very helpful. You know, you if you see like in the past time, you are totally interested watching only comedy video, but right now if you are with the curious way you are learning, then you're totally interested into their learning phase. So anyone, if any recommendation coming into their YouTube saying it's like in their videos are coming, so then you ignored because you are totally interested into your learning. So that's your mindset changing into there, and that's how you can begin your journey from there. And I begin my journey, so that's I am sharing this information to you, and that's I think it's helpful. It's really really helpful for you, and let it know into the comment it is helpful or not. So I think that's for today. Let's end the session today. Bye.